Are you thinking of switching from your current email provider to FLODESK? Or maybe you've heard of FLODESK and you want to know if this is something you should get, something you should invest in. Well, today I'm going to review FLODESK and show you some things about it that you need to know before you make that big switch. So no more chit chat, let's get into it right now. Okay, so I did my own investigation into FLODESK because I have a client that's working with it. So here are some things that you should know. One, it has a flat rate. So basically FLODESK is giving you its service unlimited. So that's one of the biggest differences you'll find with all the other email providers, where the more subscribers you have, the more your monthly or your yearly plan will be. But with FLODESK, they're telling us that you can basically get all their services unlimited. Doesn't matter how many subscribers. And that's pretty good, especially if you're someone who has a huge list and when you add subscribers, you end up with a whole lot more money to pay. So if you're looking for something that is going to cost you less, then FLODESK is something you're looking for. Right now, they have a 30-day free trial, so you can do that before you commit to the plan. And they're also offering 50% off. So it would be about $19 per month and then $209 per year. That's pretty good. So just to think that the price compared to other providers, MailChimp might seem cheaper, but then when you add subscribers, you're going to increase your cost. But with FLODESK, it's a standard rate forever, and that's great. Next, so these are things you're going to get. I counted about 30 email newsletter type templates that you're able to use, and they're pretty. I'm telling you, they're beautiful. They're really simple to use. They have some of the functions of the same email marketing software that you currently use, changing the layout, adding blocks and stuff like that. So they are functional. They're very easy to use. And if you're a beginner, FLODESK is definitely going to be one of the easiest email softwares you can find to use today. I found 6 form templates and then 4 automation workflow templates that are there, but you can save your emails from the email template and then use that email in your workflow. So that means you have access to all of those previous email templates when you're doing your automation, which is cool. And again, they're very easy to use, very simple, great for beginners, and just easy and just great. Really, it really doesn't get any easier than that. So here are some things that you should know before you decide to switch or to get FLODESK. 1, it's in beta. So that means they're still building out the platform. So if this is something that you expect all the stuff and functionalities of MailChimp or MailerLite or one of those other ActiveCampaign, it won't be like that. It's very, very, I'd call it bare bones. You're not going to have a lot to work with from the start. So don't think you're going to go in there thinking it's looking like one of those other ones. You will be disappointed. 2, they do have pretty email templates, but there are limits to what you can do. There's one huge thing for me that's missing, and that's the a content editor that in MailChimp I have that. So if you bring in a picture, you're able to make edits to that image. You won't find that in FLODESK. It's really what's there is what you get. So it's you upload whatever condition that picture is in, you got to use it in that way. So as I said, it's in beta. Maybe that's why. I did reach out to someone there asking them about details about that. It wasn't really clear. It does seem like there'll be more changes in beta, but honestly right now, if you're looking for all that to be clear from the start, that's not going to happen. So you're really buying into the idea that FLODESK will be more in the future. And it's been around for about 11 months, or like a year. So it's been in beta all that time. I don't know how long it's going to be in beta. It could be in there for a long time. So honestly, we really don't know when certain things are going to come in. So you have to accept FLODESK as is. Next, you're not going to have those integrations that you're used to in like MailChimp. You're able to put, WordPress plugins and Canva and all that. Only integration that I found was Shopify. So that's a downgrade, or probably not the best thing for some of us who are used to having our plugins in there, having like Zapier and stuff like that work with your email. So just know that you won't find that there. Next, you can't add your domain in there. I'm something that I could be corrected on, but I've tried. And the only thing I've seen is that you're allowed to, give your business email in there for sending the emails. But to have a custom domain to a landing page, I don't see that option. Someone here that's watching, if you've seen it, you can correct me, but right now it's not there. So if you're used to using subdomains like I am with like my clients' landing pages from my other providers, you won't get that functionality in FLODESK right now. Again, it's in beta. I don't know when that's going to change. Right now, it's just not there. Next, landing pages. If you're used to the templates that you're going to get from other providers, you won't find it in FLODESK. In fact, there isn't really a tab or something that's saying landing pages. You have to be a bit creative and use one of those forms. So I think you can use like the full page form and make that into your landing page. But if you have landing page software or you already have your pages connected to your website, then you really don't need your email software to give you a landing page. But if that's something that you wanted to be in your package, I would look at a different email software. And finally, I know I've said this multiple times, it is in beta, but you're gonna miss a whole lot of the cool features that some other providers are giving in their free access. So MailChimp, for instance, right now has, you can get a free domain. So you can get a free .com, you get a free website. They have surveys that you can have, behavioral targeting, the content studio that I was talking about that you can edit photos, and a marketing calendar. So when it comes to choosing FLODESK, you really have to determine what's important to you. If you just want to have something that's gonna just give you all this unlimited access, so you have a big list and you got to send emails to them and you want it to be easy, then FLODESK is definitely something that you can use. It will give you unlimited access to its features. It doesn't matter how many subscribers you have, you can send to your entire list. But if you're looking for more cool features like cool landing page templates, using custom domains, having a website, then you won't be getting that with FLODESK. I'm sorry. But it still has its place. It's still something to check out. So you really have to determine what is better for you. I just wanted to share with you what I found, and hopefully this video will help you make the decision. So again, I always say, if you like my content, it really, really, really helps me if you subscribe. It goes a long way in pushing me and making more videos and bringing more content that you want. And of course, I never end without saying, thanks for watching.